Hello everyone, welcome to the product exhibition hall of Shun Pu New Energy Technology. This is the product exhibition hall of our photovoltaic water heater, which is divided into computer version and mechanical version in function, horizontal and vertical version in appearance, and customized models with AC plus DC or pure DC. These two are the computer version of the photovoltaic water heater. And that one is the mechanical version. This one is a vertical photovoltaic water heater, and the other four are horizontal photovoltaic water heaters. In addition, the voltage of AC heating can be customized to 220 volts or 110 volts, according to your requirements. This is a computer version of the photovoltaic water heater model. AC and DC heating maximum temperature reaches 75 degrees Celsius after the shutdown. Temperature difference reaches 10 degrees Celsius after the secondary heating. This can achieve DC independent operation, DC and AC synchronous operation, alternate work. It is suitable for use in environments where there is no mains power.